Hello, hello, grade 5. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. This is Mavish, your math teacher. Due to running off fourth spell of pandemic COVID situations, we have gone to conduct your online unit sessions. This is your first online unit session. So, grade 5, how are you? All of you students will have to be prepared to attempt your online sessions. Is it clear, class? So today I am going to share your first term syllabus. This is your first term syllabus. In your first term syllabus, we will cover chapter 1 till chapter 7. Chapter 1 number up to 10 millions, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 ratio, 6 area of triangles, chapter 7 volume. So we will cover all of the chapters in your first term session. Is it clear? Today we will learn the chapter 1 number up to 10 millions, lesson 1 counting to 10 million. Okay, we will start. So your chapter 1 numbers up to 10 millions, lesson 1. Lesson 1 counting to 10 millions. Take out your maths books if anyone have, and no notebook or copies, whatever you have, to note down the lectures on topics. And at the end of your unit sessions, we will conduct the 10 minutes of question answer feedback sessions, in which you can ask any question regarding your topic and the unit sessions, that all the topics we have covered in our unit sessions. And I can ask anyone regarding the topic. So be prepared for question answer feedback session. Is it clear, class? In lesson 1 counting to 10 millions, grade 5, you already have learned the counting till 10,000, 100,000. You already have covered counting till 100,000 in your previous class. But today I am just going through the topic to place the digit value till 100,000. Just make you easy understand whatever you have learned in previous class. Okay, so look at the place value chart. If you will be given the 6-digit value 567891, so how will you place in the place value chart? Just look at the last one digit, that is 1. You start with the last digit, that is 1, and you will place at the last column of place value chart, that is 1s. So you place at the first column of 1s, that is 1, and the second digit 9th you place at the second column of tens, that is 9. Then the third digit you have 8, you place the third column, that is 100. You place the fourth digit 7, that is 7. You place the fourth column of place value chart, 7. Then you place the next digit 6 in the next columns of place value chart, 6. Then the last digit you have 5, and you place the last the last column of place value chart, the sixth column of place value chart, that is 5. So how will you count all of the digits? You will count as ones, because it's a in a ones column, and you will count as 90. 9 count as 90 because it plays in the second column of place value chart, that is tens. 10 means you call the second digit as 90. You call the second digit as 90 because is a tens, is in the tens columns. And the third digit you place in the third column of place value chart, that is 100. It means you will call add as a 800. 8 as a 800. Say with me, 9 called as 90, 8 called as 800. Then the fourth digit you have 7, it's is placed in thousand of a place value chart. So you call as 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Then you have a fifth digit, that is 6, is placed on a sixth column, that is 10,000 in a place value chart. That means you have a 60,000. 10,000 means you have a 60,000. You have a 60,000. Say with me, you have a 60,000. Then last digit is a six digit. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth digit you have 5, that is placed, the sixth column of place value chart, that is 100,000. It means you have a 5 digit. It means you have a 500,000. 500,000. 500,000. Say with me, 500,000. So how will you count it? You have a ones, you have 90, 800, 7,000, 60,000, and this is 500,000. You can see the digit as under 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. We have just elaborated to make you easily understand what we have discussed in this chart. So 500 means you will write as 500,000, 500,000. Then 60,000 means you will write in the 10,000 as 60,000, 60,000. And 10,000 column means you will write 7 as 1,000 column means you will write 7 as 7,000, 7,000. And the 100 columns, in the 100 columns, the add value digit will be called as 800, 800. In the tens columns, in the 9 digit, you will say as 90, because in the 10 columns, you will say as 90. And the 1 columns, 1 is placed and you will say as only 1, 1. So how will you say all of the 6 digit as 567,000? First you will say to combine the first 3 digit as 567,000, 567,000, 567,000. Then you will say to combine the next 3 digit as 891, 891, 800. In the 800 forms, you can see is a 10 forms, 891, 891. So the quiz time starts now. So in the quiz chart, you can see we have shared the same chart as above, but the digit is different in this chart. The digit is 513,924. The digit value has different as above. So what will you do? I have just placed the value as a hint for you. I have given you the value of 100,000. What you will say, because 5 digit is placed under the columns of 100,000. So it means it is 500,000, 500,000. So what will be the digit is called 1 in 10,000, 10,000. What will be the digit 1 is written in 10,000, and what the 3 digit is written, what the 3 digit will be written in the column of 1,000, and what the next 9 digits that is written in 100 columns. So what will you write? 9 here. So, and what will you write tens in the 10 columns? That the digit is 2 is given to you. So what will you write 2 as in this blank? And what will you write once in this blank? In the one columns, you are given the 4 digits. So the digits, how will you write the remaining digits in their respective blanks? So that is the quiz given to you, and you will write by yourself. Is it clear, class? Today we have just gone through the digit, 6-digit value to place in according to the place value chart. According to the place value chart, because we have already learned in our previous classes, but today we have just gone through our previous topics just to make you easy understand to place the 6-digit value according to the place value chart. How will we count them and how will we write in words? So today we have just gone through how will we count them, how will we count 6 digits, and how will we write the 6 digits in words. And that is a quiz given to you to solve it by yourself. So in this regard, if any questions, so you can ask in your questions answer sessions that would be conducted after 2 hours of your unit sessions. Is it clear, grade 5? All right.